I am Dr. P. Saravanan, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, King's College of Engineering, Punalkulam, Pudukkottai District. Today, we are going to discuss about adsorption and its types. It is a topic of engineering chemistry in unit number 2, surface chemistry and catalysis. So, adsorption and its types. What do you mean adsorption? It is a phenomenon of concentration of molecules of a gas or liquid at a solid surface is called adsorption. The adsorption of gases on a solid sometimes called occlusion. What do you mean adsorbate? The substance which is held on the surface of the solid is called adsorbate. What is adsorbent? The solid that takes up the gas or solute from the solution is called adsorbent. The adsorption, otherwise defined as the adsorbate is adsorbed on the adsorbent, is called adsorption. Absorption is a process in which substance is uniformly distributed throughout the body of the solid or liquid. So what is the difference between the adsorption and absorption? Adsorption means in the gas or liquid or adsorbate is held only on the surface of the adsorbent is called adsorption. But absorption, the gas or liquid or adsorbate is distributed throughout the body of adsorbent is called absorption. This is the difference between the adsorption and absorption, right? What do you mean sorption? Sorption is a process in which both adsorption and adsorption takes place simultaneously. See the diagram here. We have three diagrams, right? See the first diagram. It is an illustration of adsorption process, right? The adsorbate only held on the surface of the adsorbent. So that is called adsorption. See the second diagram. It is an illustration of absorption process, right? Here see the adsorbate molecules not held on the surface. It is distributed throughout the body of the adsorbent. So the process is called absorption. See that third diagram, it is illustration of sorption. Here the adsorbate molecules held on the surface solid as well as uniformly distributed throughout the body of the solid or adsorbent. So the process is called sorption. Next we are going to see about types of adsorption, right? The adsorption is classified into two types. One is physical adsorption or physisorption or van der Waals absorption. And second type is chemical adsorption or chemisorption or activated adsorption. We can see one by one, right? What is the first one? Physical adsorption or physisorption. The physical adsorption is the one in which the adsorbed molecules are held on the surface of the adsorbent by weak physical or van der Waals forces of attraction. See the diagram here. In the gaseous molecule, the example of adsorbate is held on the adsorbent by weak van der Waals force. The dotted line indicates weak van der Waals force. So the process is called physical adsorption. Here example, adsorption of hydrogen or oxygen gas on charcoal. Here hydrogen and oxygen gas is an example of adsorbate. The charcoal is an example of adsorbent. So hydrogen or oxygen gas held on the charcoal by weak van der Waals force. It is a best example of physical adsorption or physisorption. Next we are going to see about second type of adsorption is called chemical adsorption or chemisorption. The chemical adsorption is one in which the adsorbed molecule are held on the surface of the adsorbent by chemical bonds like covalent bond or ionic bond. See the diagram. The gaseous molecules or adsorbate is held on the surface of the substrate or adsorbent by strong chemical bond like covalent and ionic bond. The example of this chemical adsorption is adsorption of hydrogen gas on the nickel. Here hydrogen is adsorbate, nickel is adsorbent. The hydrogen gaseous molecule is held on the nickel by strong chemical bond. Next, going to see about differences between the physical adsorption or physisorption and chemical adsorption or chemisorption. We can see one by one, right? In physical adsorption, it is caused by intermolecular weak van der Waals forces, but in chemical adsorption is caused by strong chemical bond. And the heat of adsorption of physical adsorption is low, approximately 0 to 40 kilocalorie per mole. In heat of adsorption of chemical adsorption is high, the ranges between the 440 to 400 kilocalorie per mole. The physical adsorption is completely reversible. Reason is held by the weak van der Waals force, so that this process is a reversible process. In chemical adsorption is a irreversible process. The reason is the absorbate held by the strong chemical bond, so that it cannot be reversed. It is a reversible process. Physical adsorption decreases with increases in temperature. That means the physical adsorption is inversely proportional to temperature. If increase the temperature, the physical adsorption decreases. If decrease the temperature, the physical adsorption increases. It's inversely proportional to temperature. But in chemical adsorption increases with temperature, is directly proportional to temperature. If increases the temperature, the chemical adsorption also increases. If decreases the temperature, the chemical adsorption also decreases. In physical adsorption, multi-layer adsorption is occur. Reason is it is held by the weak van der Waals forces, is removed, again second layer is formed and third layer is formed, and so on. Multi-layer is possible in the physical adsorption. But chemical adsorption, only monolayer adsorption occurs. The reason is adsorbase is held by the strong covalent bond. It is not reversible. It is not be reversed. It not be removed, so that only one layer occurs in the chemical adsorption. The rate of physical adsorption increases with increases the pressure and concentration. That means the physical adsorption is directly proportional to pressure and concentration. If you increasing the pressure and concentration, the physical adsorption automatically increases. In chemical adsorption, the rate of chemical adsorption decreases with increases the pressure and concentration. That means inversely proportional to the pressure and concentration. If you are increasing the pressure and concentration, the chemical adsorption automatically decreases. If decreases, the chemical adsorption automatically increases. In physical adsorption, equilibrium is established rapidly. Reason is held by the weak van der Waals force. Is easily cover surface of the adsorbent by weak van der Waals force. But in chemical adsorption, it requires time. Reason is formation of bond. The adsorbase held on the surface by forming the strong chemical bond, so that it will take more time. In physical adsorption, no surface compound is formed. Reason is it is attached by only weak van der Waals force, physical van der Waals force. But in chemical adsorption, surface compound is formed. Reason is the adsorbate is held by or adsorbed by a strong chemical bond, so that new compound is formed on surface. So it is a surface compound formation takes place in the chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption involves very small activation energy, but in chemical adsorption it involves appreciable activation energy. If surface is clean, if surface is very active, the chemical adsorption takes place easily, so that it has some appreciable activation energy. In physical adsorption is not specific in nature, but chemical adsorption is highly specific in nature. Reason is if the change the adsorbent, if change the adsorbate, the different surface compound is formed on surface. so that is highly specific in nature. If surface is active, the adsorption is takes place, otherwise it will not takes place, so that the chemical adsorption is a highly specific in nature. Okay, thank you.